Hey Lou, what's your tech tip for today?
Hey Emil, my tech tip for today is a pre-Christmas tech tip. For all of those people who are thinking that they might get a new phone for Christmas, I did just get a new phone recently and I'm feeling the pain right now of Authenticator. I have Microsoft Authenticator, Google Authenticator, and also Zoho One Authenticator for different things. And I did know that I needed to export my Authenticator files. The tricky part is if your Google profile isn't signed in or you're using a different Google profile, same with your Microsoft Office profile, when you set up your new phone, your Authenticator codes won't come with it. We've had a lot of clients who have had this problem this year. If you lose your phone and you can't get into your Authenticator, you won't be able to sign back into your apps. So here is what you need to do to export your Authenticator information prior to deleting your old phone. Step 1 is to move or back up your Authenticator. If you have a cloud backup, turn backup on and restore on the new phone. If not, reset up 2FA on each of the new accounts. Step 2, save your recovery codes. Each of your applications should have a set of recovery codes that you can download, print and store. Point number 3, importantly, test the logons on your new phone and make sure the codes work before wiping your old phone. And step 4 is to remove the old phone from the account security and then factory reset, sell or recycle your old phone.